ever you've had problems with your air conditioning in your car, you might need either a flush or just replenish your compressor. R134A is the AC that the AC Freon that you'd be using, and this is here a perfect little tool by Kozyvacu. This is the manifold right here. This is all you need to do that flush. I will show you in the next sequence the actual vacuum that it comes with, because the vacuum is used if you want to flush your whole lines, all your entire system, before you apply and put in some new Freon. So again, attach that onto the top. Make sure that you connect it to the high and the low, appropriately called the H or the L on your car. And then connect this to the actual Freon R134A bottle. And make sure you follow the instructions and look at the gauges. This gauge here is perfect because it will tell you if your system is entirely flushed. If you follow the very simple instructions to follow there in their manual, you will have in no time brand new AC going and your air conditioning system in your car being super, super cold finally. So for those hot summer days, try that yourself. You'll thank me later.